So leaving off from the epic drone footage of part 1 of our Joshua Tree adventure, we are now traveling the Berdoo Canyon Road. We got through a small rock garden that we thought was the toughest part of the trail. Trouble awaits us, so be sure to stick around to the end to see what happens. And don't worry, we still have a ton of drone footage with our top pilot Nick flying. He can make a drone do practically anything, including terrorizing his buddies. Hey, would you look at that? Who says the desert doesn't provide for our basic needs? Gotta stay hydrated out there. As you will see in the first part of this video, we have a lot of fun weaving around in these canyon washes. The views of the canyon are fantastic, and it's a trip knowing that flash floods every once in a while wreak havoc within these walls. Berdoo does offer a few optional obstacles to test your rig out on, so might as well take up the offer. Nom 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 nom.
I have camera too.
So I guess Nick's years of flying RC planes has paid off. It has given him amazing flying skills. Most folks like myself need to look at the screen when flying a drone, especially when the drone is flying the opposite direction, while Nick can sight fly without the screen. Not only that, but he flies the drone like it's an FPV drone, which stands for first person view and is the only way competitive drone racing is done, when all he has is just a DJI Mini 3. Here's where looks can be deceiving, especially when you're towing a trailer, even a small trailer like the NoBo. Any vehicle without a trailer wouldn't even need to slow down in this section of the wash. Nick does a great job avoiding risk to his smaller sidewalls on his Defender. However, it created enough of a distraction to have him get into trouble into a whole other way.
That's the problem.
When I think too, Nick, you're right. Once you get that back rear off of that and out of that ditch, it'll give it space to get over that rock. Now we get to work. Our first thought is to jack up the front of the Defender and raise the height by adding traction boards and or rocks under the front passenger tire.
You got an inch and you're on.
What do you want with these traction boards?
That's fine. I'm sure.
Is there any more room to put anything under there?
Well, how much do you think it'll compress? Hold.
All right, clear. No, hold on.
We're gonna try it. I mean, that'll help, but oh yeah, he's gonna try to put it on the rear maybe.
You gonna shovel this out?
We're close. I'm wondering if we could put like a boulder under it or something. Okay. Well, just check it out. See what you think.
All right, try and crawl.
Yep. Come on.
Why did you put back? It's traction.
It's traction kind of.
Oh, there you go. That one's it. Oh. Actually, the more we build up, the less we have to jack. That's right. Black is right. Here, before you do that, I'd put more dirt. Put more dirt in under the traction board. Why?
You can just dig that out too.
No, that's in there good. That'll.
Alright. Here, let's do this. Let's lower it on the rocks. Put something under the base and build it up again. Lined up.
Coming up.
We're in too much of a rush. We should just keep trying.
We're losing.
Yeah, go back down. It's okay.
You just tell me when to stop. I'm just gonna go.
When the bottle jack looks like it's not going to go up anymore. Say that.
The bottle jack's in a precarious position. He's shifting.
Just reset it. You got to move that rock in.
So,
Where's that B30 at?
right.
It just needs to hold it. It doesn't need to bring it up at all.
We're struggling here. Bending.
Bending?
Yeah, full bend.
Yeah, I don't think we need to mess with the airbags.
Okay.
We're just gonna do jack, build up under the tires and go.
Makes sense.
That's what she said.
Yes, sir.
We got a lot of room under that tire now. This scissor lift just gave us an extra inch.
Sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Okay, we got a lot of room under that tire. That looks
Wait,
good.
that's a good point. That's
Are you making it go up or down?
down.
Okay. It may
It's
not be.
It's twisted.
Yeah.
It's not even
done.
turning. It's
done. It gave its life.
Brett, things just gonna break. Oh, there you go. Man.
It's on it. But,
It's on the.
yeah.
No way. No way.
I think we need to air the tires.
Ooh, good idea.
A little comparison. Who's better? Tillamook or whatever.
For trail reviews.
I'm going Tillamook. Tillamook for the win. Good call. Arm's happy. Wagging her tail.
Due to the Defender's smart traction control, we didn't want to risk ruining our hard work building the base. Winching was the most controlled and best option out. Due to the weight of the Defender plus trailer, and also the angle, we used a snatch block off a boulder to give us more power and the proper angle to winch from.
Now. Okay, stop. Okay. I need to make more of a trail because I don't want this thing crashing down on that.
The Defender has a nice front skid plate, but beyond that, we didn't want the rock ripping up the exposed parts of the undercarriage. Since we had spent several hours already, we figured on spending a little more time to build a rock road wasn't going to hurt.
Okay, we're over the big bitch and your rear tires on it, and I think we're good.
As long as all tires are on rock, it should be good, right?
Yeah.
Good over here.
Yeah. There you go. Perfect.
Nice and easy.
There you go. Keep going, slow. Slow.
Yeah.
Good, you're good.
Oh, hold on. Back up.
Yeah, try and back up. You weren't spinning.
A little bit, or hold on. We might be able to move this. What's this guy? Taylor, but he's...
Yeah.
Yep. As much passengers you can give it. Perfect. Yep. Good here on the trailer. Finally, hours later, we are off to find a campsite where we can rest up and recover from our recovery.
Look at this, they drove up there to get a campsite up on the ridge. How cool is that? Look at that, man. That is a badass feature. There's an easier way up the campsite on this side, backwards. Matt, can you mark that on got it?
Unfortunately, this campsite was taken. Fortunately, we found an even better one. You'll have to watch part 3 to see it in the daytime. For now, I will tease you with some epic nighttime drone shots. Who killed Cole? Someone shot him. He did.
There were some cool stores in there, man. What was the toy store?
Yes.
Small Wonders?
Yes.
With the train going around the top.
Berdoo has some amazing ridgetop campsites, but they can be tricky to find. The views are worth it though. I'll give you another tease of our campsite, and you better believe we get after it at our makeshift gun range. So if you're enjoying the ride, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.